Hey everybody, thanks for checking out our video today at the Auto Connect. We have a 2014 Volkswagen Passat SE edition. Nice little car, just serviced it. 128,000 miles, a really nice car if you're looking for something under 10,000 that runs really well. Has leather, sunroof. Cosmetically, a couple little scuffs on it, as you can see down there, but overall, she's pretty clean. Interior's clean. Has really good tires on it, new tires. Like I said, there is some little chips and small cosmetic stuff, but overall, body's in really good condition. Take a look at the inside here. As you can see, the interior is clean. Has a sunroof, leather, Bluetooth, heated seats. Small little tear there in the driver's seat. We'll go ahead and start it up. 128,000 miles on it. If this is something you might be interested in, please give us a call at 228-438-2056. You can text us too, or email us at theautoconnectllc@gmail.com. Check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you do need any service for any Audi, Volkswagen, or Porsche, and you're in the Mississippi Gulf Coast, please give us a holler, as we do full service on all Audi, Volkswagens, and Porsches. Thanks for checking out our video.